Biohackers often share their experiments online, inviting others to join them in this controversial field. This collaborative spirit fosters innovation, but it also means that unregulated and dangerous projects can gain traction. Misguided individuals may not grasp the implications of their actions, leading to unintended consequences. Moreover, ethical debates surrounding consent and safety intensify as projects become increasingly audacious. Organizations and governments struggle to implement proper regulations, as the rapid evolution of technology outpaces legal frameworks. The potential for misuse looms large, challenging our moral compass in the face of scientific advancement. As we venture further into this realm, the stakes become higher, urging us to tread carefully. As biohackers push the boundaries of what is possible, they often find themselves at a crossroads of ambition and responsibility. Many envision a future where genetic imperfections can be corrected, but they overlook the potential for creating unintended genetic mutations. These mutations could cascade through entire ecosystems, creating irreversible changes that may not be immediately apparent. While the idea of eradicating diseases is appealing, the consequences of opening Pandora's box can lead to dire outcomes for both human and environmental health. With each advancement, we must ask ourselves, are we ready to embrace the full weight of our actions? The future of biohacking hangs in a delicate balance, teetering between promise and peril. As discussions continue around biohacking, prominent scientists emphasize the importance of establishing ethical guidelines. These guidelines would help ensure that innovation does not outpace our moral responsibilities. They propose forums for engagement, involving diverse voices from the scientific community and public. Ultimately, fostering transparent dialogue is crucial, allowing society to navigate the complexities of genetic engineering with caution and wisdom. Only through collective efforts can we hope to harness the benefits while mitigating associated risks effectively. In navigating this uncharted territory, we must remember that our choices today shape the world of tomorrow. Responsible stewardship of genetic engineering can lead to groundbreaking advancements, but vigilance is crucial to prevent its darker potential from becoming a reality. Let's embrace both hope and caution as we move forward.